Good morning, team.
Good morning.
I'm excited for Mission Remarkable. Looking forward to the 2025-2026 school year. This will be the most remarkable school year yet. Looking forward to school starting on August 25th.
Sir, we're still waiting on confirmation from several sites. We need your eyes on the ground.
I gotta run. Jimmy, I need the keys.
Welcome to the Remarkable Red Clay. I wouldn't miss this for the world.